被稱為 Edmonton 嘅中央公園，歷史悠久嘅 William Hawrelak Park 封閉咗3年，耗資1.35億進行大翻新工程，終於今年3月份正式重新開放俾市民。今日仲正式嚟一個重大嘅開幕典禮。大家好熟悉呢個勁大公園，因為除咗嚟呢度霹靂、barbecue、行 trail、踩單車、踩水上單車，冬天就嚟呢度溜冰之外，每年嘅重大節日活動，例如 Heritage Festival 同埋戶外音樂會 Symphony Under the Sky 都會喺呢度舉行。今年我哋港依啲文化協會搞嘅第5屆香港節，亦都移師到呢個公園舉行。話明大翻新，公園嘅所有設施幾乎改頭換面，令人耳目一新。先嚟睇睇個兒童遊樂場有咩大變身先。睇睇個 Main Pavilion 究竟 upgrade 咗啲乜嘢？重新裝修過，入邊間餐廳食嘢環境相當之唔錯。沿住湖邊嘅走廊，都安裝咗好靚嘅長凳，俾大家坐低休息。我哋又睇睇啲 picnic site， 每一個 shelter 整成點嘅樣。當然煥然一新啦，每個 shelter 都有自己嘅獨立廁所。重新裝修過嘅廁所，乾淨企理，同以前簡直係天淵之別啊！由於今日係 Grand Opening， 所以大會安排咗特別多樣各種嘅活動，俾前來參加開幕典禮嘅朋友享用。開幕典禮又點少得現場音樂會啊！Edmonton 市長出席今日嘅開幕典禮儀式。
Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is a very exciting day, and it's always tough when I have to follow Elder Latondra. She's amazing. She sets the right mood for us all, and she always does such a phenomenal job. So sorry to bring it down slightly, but I'm so glad to be here with you all today. And I know there's like thousands of people more who are like out exploring the park and having a lot of fun. Coming here already a bit earlier, it was just so great to see so many people back in Hawrelak Park. important this space is. So thank you so much for those of you here in the room and even those who are out and about for joining us here today on Treaty 6 territory and the homeland of the Métis Nation for this very special occasion. Hawrelak Park and the full return of many of its services. It is my sincere pleasure to welcome you all to an inclusive, accessible, and modern park where Edmontonians can connect and experience nature once again. Hawrelak Park has been around longer than many of us have been alive, including myself. It opened in 1967.
唔講真係唔知喎，原來呢個 William Hawrelak Park 歷史咁悠久，呢度展示晒咁多年咁多珍貴嘅圖片同埋發展嘅故事。俾個預告大家，今年我哋港醫啲文化協會舉辦嘅第5屆香港節，設定於8月29號星期六，會喺呢一個 William Hawrelak Park 嘅 Picnic Shelter Free 舉行，希望到時見到大家啦！呢集節目去到呢一度，下次再見，拜拜。